Yo, what's good? It's your boy DoorDash Delivery, and look what we have today, fam. Guess what's inside? It's a must-have for Instacart shopper, shipped shopper, and Spark driver to deliver grocery. Got my collapsible wagon, and I'm gonna drop the link in the description and the comments on where you can buy it on Amazon. You can use my link, and or you can search on Amazon yourself. All right. Let's unbox this thing and see what's inside, huh? Let's go, fam. All right, let's open up, huh? I don't know if you're gonna need installation for this or not. Voila! All right. My slippers. That thing's ready to go. Maybe just screw on the wheels and stuff. Collapsible wagon, fam. Alright, let's open up the plastic bag, huh? I think I got this for $70 on Amazon. $70. Free shipping because I'm Amazon Prime. And once again, the link's gonna be in the description and in the comment section, fam. Alright, I think you have to put on attach the wheels. Here are the wheels. Got 4 wheels, of course. I'm shooting this by myself, so I think you just attach the wheels and you're ready to go. We got the instructions inside. All right, let's open up to see if we need to screw it onto the wagon or it's just plug and play. Let's see what's up, huh? So far, there's one of these. Honestly, I'm not very good with installing things, That's one of the things I suck at. And I hate reading instructions as well. Are we missing something? Oh, man. This box looks like it's been opened before. So far, I only got one of these. All right. Let's take a look one more time, huh? All right, fam. So this is what's inside the box, huh? The large box, the wagon, this, whatever, 4 wheels, and one of that clip thingy, and instructions. Okay, I figured it out. It goes on top of this. I think it's just plug and play, it's like a clip on. There's no screws or anything. All right, fam, see if we can figure this thing out, huh? I don't see any screws. I'm shooting this thing by myself, so I apologize for the poor quality. I guess that's how it's done. Kind of take out this thing at the bottom. Put up. Is this right? Boom! There you have it. Should I do it one more time? So pull out this thing at the bottom, this thing right here. And then just, you know, push in the wheels and repeat four times. You got one wheel, fam. Look at that. And do the same thing for the other 3. My bad. You gotta make sure the thing, this thing is, no, this thing goes to the outside. That way it clips in. Push the thing in. Boom! There you have it. And do the same thing for the other 3 wheels. So take out this thing at the bottom. Very easy installation, fam. No screws, no tools required. And take out this thing. Take out this thing right here. And make sure this thing sticks out. So there's a hole on the, you know, right here. Push it in. Boom! All right, rinse and repeat 2 more times, fam. So on our 3rd wheel, same thing. Push it in. Boom! One more time. Pull it out. Oh man, I'm struggling with the final one, fam. Oh, I haven't eaten yet. Oh, okay, we got it. One more time, huh? One more time. The 4th and final wheel. Oh, gotta pull the thing out. Boom! Here we go, let's test it out, huh? And there you have it, fam. Collapsible grocery wagon. All right, let's go test out this bad boy, huh? All right, let's see if I can collapse it. Okay, so go like that. Boom, should I do it again? And there you have it, fam. Collapsible grocery wagon. Boom. All right, let's log on with Spark Driver and Instacart and test this thing out, huh? $70, fam, on Amazon. I think it's a good investment if you're gonna do a lot of Instacart or Shipt or Corner Shop or Spark Driver. And there you have it. All right, fam, let's take it for a spin, huh? There you have it. We just need to put some groceries in here and we're good to go, fam. So once again, this is a must-have if you're gonna be doing Instacart or Spark, Corner Shop, Shipt. $70 on Amazon, fam. Link in the description. Thanks everybody for watching this video of Amazon unboxing collapsible grocery wagon. Thanks for watching, fam. Have a nice day. Peace.